Hey guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my quick video about Aweber. So I'm here today to give you really good news. So Aweber is finally offering a free account service to small businesses and startups and entrepreneurs that are just starting their businesses. This is a great option for everybody that is starting to grow their businesses and creating an email list. So what is offered within Aweber in this free account? So you're going to have access to the same great service that is provided for over 20 years and helping more than 1 million subscribers. So Aweber is really a great autoresponder. This is the service that I actually use for my business, and I'm very happy with it. So besides the email autoresponder, you also have access to landing page builder inside of Aweber. So that's a great option too. And also they have really good customer service, right? You can ask questions online and you can find answers right there. But if for some reason you need to get in touch with Aweber, you just need to send an email. They respond really quick. They're very polite, very helpful. I had to get in touch with them a couple weeks ago, and I was actually very surprised with how fast they responded and how good they were helping me out. So that's great to know, right? Not everybody has that kind of service. So with your free account, you can have up to 500 subscribers. You can send up to 3,000 emails per month. And like I said, besides the email responder, you have access to landing pages. They're beautiful landing pages, and you can adjust them according to your needs. And if anyone sign up inside of your landing page, they're going to be added directly to your list. No need to confirm or anything like that. So this is a good option. So you're going to be able to grow your list even faster. And like I said, this is a great option for small businesses, small lists, right? And once you start growing your list, you can update to the Pro account, and then yes, you're going to pay after that. But so remember, I'm not talking about a 30-day free trial. I'm talking about a free account that Aweber offers right now. And I'm going to leave a link to Aweber in the description of this video if you want to go in and check it out, more details about what is offered. But this is great news, guys. Great news, guys. I know autoresponder, in comparison with all the services that we have to usually sign up for, right? If you want to provide great services to your audience, you need to spend money with certain things. But having the option of having a free account until you're able to grow your list a little bigger, it's awesome because you can redirect this money to something else in your business to make it grow, right? All right, guys. So the email, the link is in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. It's really quick. I just wanted to give you the good news. Stay healthy, be safe, be good, guys, and I'll see you around. All right, bye.